Hello everyone, welcome back to KnowHow. I am Faz and today we have got an exciting tutorial lined up for you. We will be diving into one of the most powerful functions in Microsoft Excel, that is EDATE function. We will be exploring its syntax, how to use this function, and even some more cool tricks like how to nest this function with if and mode function. So let's not waste any more time and jump right into it.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
What is EDATE function? Well, it's a powerful tool in Excel that helps us work with dates. With EDATE, you can easily calculate future or past dates by specifying number of months, and you never miss a payment or subscription schedule. Let's start with its basic syntax. As you can see, the EDATE function takes two arguments, the start date and the number of months to add or subtract. I have given these examples in which I have written the start date and then these are the number of months to add or subtract. The positive value indicate that it will add the months into the start date, whereas the negative value indicate that it will subtract the number of months from the start date. And you can see that if we use 3 in our function, then it will give the result that is 3 months after the start date. Similarly, if I write -3, this means that this will subtract 3 months from the start date. And if I write 12, it means that I will get the date that is 1 year after the start date. And if I want to get the date that is 1 year before the start date, then I will write -12. And similarly, you can add any number of months or years or subtract any number of months and year from your start date. So how we can apply this function, let's learn it. As you know that the first thing that we have to enter into the formula is the date argument. We can add the date argument in 3 different ways. The first method is using a text string. For this purpose, I'll write equal and then EDATE bracket start, and I will write the starting date manually in the form of text string in the inverted commas. So I will write 20 January 2023. Then I will put comma, and then because I want to get date after the 5 months, so I will write 5, close this bracket and press enter. So you can see that it is giving me the date after the 5 months. Similarly, in the same formula, I can write equal EDATE bracket start. This time I will write the date in different format and then put the comma, and now I will write the number of months that I want to add. So if I want to add 5 months, I will write 5, close this bracket and press enter. So again you get the same result. The last format is using a cell reference. For this purpose I will write equal and then EDATE bracket start, and then this time I will select a cell in which I have already mentioned the date. Then I will put comma, and after this I will write the number of months that I want to add. So if I want to add 5 months, I will write 5, close this bracket and press enter. So these are the 3 different ways in which you can enter the date into the EDATE function. In situation when you need to add or subtract a different number of months from a date based on one or more of the condition, then you can nest the EDATE formula inside of an if statement. Let's say that we want to calculate an expiry date based on the subscription type, monthly or annually. To have it done, we have constructed this nested if formula. To apply this formula, I am going to write in this cell C3, that is equal if bracket start B3 equal, in inverted commas I will write monthly, then I will put comma, EDATE bracket start, I will provide the start date, and if this subscription is monthly, so I would like to add only 1 month, so I will write 1, then close this bracket, and after this I will put comma, and now I will provide the second condition by writing if bracket start and this subscription that is provided in the cell B3, that is if equal, then in inverted commas is annual, comma, EDATE, bracket start, and this time the starting date, and after the starting date I will write comma and I will write 12, because if the subscription is annual, then I would like to add 12 months in the starting date, and then close this bracket, then again comma, and in inverted commas I will write not applicable if anything else is found in the cell. Then I'm going to close these brackets and press enter. So you can see that the expiry date is calculated on the basis of the subscription type. I will double click on the bottom right corner to apply it on the all cells. And you can see that the subscription date is automatically calculated with the help of E statement that is nested in if function. When the starting date value also include the time, the EDATE function drops the time part. To preserve the time, we will be using the mod function. For this purpose, I am going to write equal EDATE bracket start. I will provide the starting date. I will put comma, and then I am going to write the months. So I will write 2 if I want to add 2 months, and then I will close this bracket, and after this I have to write plus sign, and then I will write mod bracket start. I will again provide the starting date, comma 1, and then close this bracket and press enter. So you can see that not only the month is added, but the time is also preserved using the mod function. This time in this formula, you will write the starting date and month in the EDATE function, whereas in the mod function, you will only write one after the starting date. Similarly, I can also calculate the rest of the dates using the EDATE and mod function. And there you have it. We have covered the EDATE function from its basic syntax to some advanced techniques with the if and mod functions. Excel is a powerful tool, and mastering the function like EDATE can make your life much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to KnowHow for more Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.